Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming my rolling 5-pan introduction for all full-size products. So I will be having a sample size edition going up on Friday, so stay tuned for that. But this is the full-size product edition. I have a good mix of full-size products and sample size products, so I wanted to do two separate projects to focus on each of those categories individually. So yeah. So this is my introduction video. I should be having monthly updates, probably more updates for the sample size products rather than the full size, but I'm going to try to have monthly updates if I have enough progress. So here are the 5 products that I have chosen so far. And I will be, like it is, a rolling project pan, so if I finish a product or hit goal on it, I will bring in a new one. So I will talk about that in the updates as well. It will be year long, so it will go all the way till the end of 2018. So let's just get started. So the first 2 products are in my Buxom Dolly's Hot Rollers palette. I think it's something like that. I don't really exactly remember the name. I got it a few years ago. But I have depotted everything except the bronzer and the highlighter, which is what I'm going to focus on. I want to use up this bronzer, which is called Tahiti Hot Escapes bronzer, and then I want to hit pan on the highlighter, which is called Bankroll Luminizer. So that's that. So that's where it's at right now. I did try to depot these and I broke the highlighter, so it is repressed, so I should probably be able to hit pan on that relatively easily, but the bronzer is just how it was in the pan, so that'll take me a while. But that is the first 2 products. Then I have a blush. This is the Balm Frat Boy blush. I just want to hit pan on this. I've been using it for a while, so it has a relatively large dip in the center. There you can see a little bit of side pan. I just want to hit pan on this and move on to another blush. So that's kind of how I'll be doing with the face products, hitting pan and then moving on to something else. So there's that one. The 4th product is the Beauty For Real Eyeline 24/7 eyeliner in Black Magic. It is a retractable eyeliner. I can't retract it all the way because when I first got it, I did it a little bit and I had to break some of it off. I only use this in my tight line, so this will probably take me a while, but I want to go ahead and use it up because I've had it for a while. The last product is the Maybelline lipstick in 235 Warm Me Up, and this is how much of it I have. I was going to put another lipstick in here that only had a little bit in it, but I opened it today and the rest of that lipstick fell out, so I had to pick a new one. So I'm not sure if I want to go ahead and use this up or I want to use like half of it up. Not 100% sure yet. I'll definitely let you know my next update. I haven't decided yet. We'll have to see how much progress I make in a month. But that is the last product for my rolling 5-pan full-size edition products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.